The reason why you are looking 5 years older than your age is not because of your village people, and it can be genetics, but guys, because you are not doing skincare. I have had this conversation before. I know what many of you will say. Oh, I don't have acne. My skin is actually smooth. But are you not looking older than your age? Don't you want to take care of your skin? Skin is the largest organ in your body. I mean, is it the money? Say the truth. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing simple, affordable products and routine that you guys can start with as a beginner. Can you start skincare as a guy? You only need 4 basic things. 4. And they can be super affordable too. You don't have to like invest in luxurious skincare for you to be able to do skincare. They are super affordable skincare products. I'll be sharing with you in this video, but you have to wait to the end. To start, you need a cleanser, a treatment, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen, and then you're good to go. Why do you need a cleanser? Many of you use cleanser, but I know majority just use bar soap or black soap. You need a gentle cleanser to get rid of all the dirt in your skin, and it's not going to mess up with your skin barrier, so you'll not be feeling all that tightness that you do feel once you use black soap or bar soap. So a gentle cleanser would not do that to your skin, and it's going to gently remove all the excess oils and dirt that your face has been exposed to. A treatment is one particular product that tackles your skincare issue. So if it's that you have acne, or you are trying to tackle hyperpigmentation or scars, there are different products for that. So I can't particularly recommend the product for you, depend on what you are dealing with. The general rule, I would recommend a chemical exfoliant. Please guys, don't use physical scrub on your face. They cause more damage than good, so please don't. Third step is moisturizer. Every one of you know what the moisturizer is, and I know majority of you are using your body lotion on your face, but please don't, unless it's stated on bottle that it's for face and body. Moisturizer is basically to lock in moisture to your face. It helps you with wrinkles and all of that, moisture, so that your skin will not feel dehydrated. So that's basically the point of moisturizer. The boss of it all, which is the sunscreen. Guys, don't let anybody deceive you. You need sunscreen 365 days a year. Even if it's raining, if it's cloudy, if it's snowing, whatever is happening, you need sunscreen, because sunscreen protects you from UV rays that can cause skin cancer and so many skin diseases that you don't even want to know about. Guys, trust me on this. It's not only when it's sunny that you need sunscreen. You need it even when you are inside, as long as you are where rays can penetrate. Unless everywhere is like all the blinds are closed, you are not stepping your foot in your corridor, that's when you can decide not to wear sunscreen. But if you are inside, you open your window, content can reflect light, you need sunscreen. So now, to deliver on my promise, I promise to share affordable products with you guys. So here is simple moisturizing facial wash. This facial wash retails for $2.9 to $3.5 with any Nigerian vendor. Then to treatments, a chemical exfoliant from The Ordinary, which is lactic acid. So depends on your skin concern, you can decide to use niacinamide or lactic acid, but I will suggest everybody have a chemical exfoliant in their routine. Go for Mandelic acid because that is quite gentle. If your skin can tolerate lactic acid as well, you can go for it. Please consult with your dermatologist. This is not a medical advice. Simple also a facial moisturizer as well. I don't currently have it now. I'm using a Cozy moisturizer and it's quite expensive, so I can't show you, but this brand is quite affordable. Simple product. The moisturizer retails for. Made a review of this sunscreen. There are so many affordable sunscreen out there. This is not so affordable. It retails for $8,500 to $9,000, but you can get affordable sunscreen such as Missha for $6,000. This one is 985 to 9,000. Let me know in the comments below, what's your skincare routine like? Are you a beginner? Are you interested in learning more about skincare as a